Okay, Steve, here we go. Now I am on a higher point. Now the operator is checking the marks and the first pinch point. He's checking with the eye at the moment, you understand that? The first bending starts on the side, like the pre-bending process we know, to give the radius of the top roll at the moment. Now it seems the first pre-bending is a little bit too much, but this is something that you can correct with your hand. Here you see our first test. It has been done like that before the video. Now we are doing the second part. Again on side roll, another pre-bending to give it as much as you can, give a proper radius, get a corner. Now you roll in, see the top part is coming in. It looks like a triangle at the moment, or you can correct it. So you see our operator's assistant has opened up a little bit the angle wider to correct the shape again, but we don't need it. If we get some more experience in time, it will be better. Daha değil. So, parçayı çıkaralım. Tamam. So you see all four corners are finished, and now you can just connect the flat end with your hand, a little bit correction like that. What I have here, you see, correct the angles a little bit. Of course you will not need it. After a few bending and with some correct measurements, you will have something perfect like that. Bye bye.